Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you want to play Call of Duty Mobile but you can't seem to find it on the Google Play Store for NOKIA G60. So first let's try finding the game. Here, Call of Duty. And as you can see, there's no results for it. So to fix this, we need to go back, click on your profile picture, navigate to the settings, family, parental controls, and right here either disable parental controls entirely or move to apps and games, enter the PIN code, click OK, and increase PG to at least 16. Make sure to save the settings afterwards, and now if we go back and find the game again, it's right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.